She said very confidently, all by myself, as I have already told you that she is very confident girl, and she tried to show herself as she is made by herself. So now she is saying very confidently, all by myself. I want to see it, but I will do it by myself. There is no need to help me, and there is no need to go with me. Oh, I would be much too afraid. Now she is saying that I have a fear of the people of the crowd here who are present here, greatly amused by the girl's way of speaking. And now conductor is entertaining by the speaking, by the way of talking of the girl, and he tried to tease her. Now the conductor said, but you weren't afraid to come in the bus, so you don't have fear to trip in the bus, so why are you have a fear to go to the stalls now? Nothing to be afraid of about that, she answered. Now she answered very irritatingly, and now she is getting irritated by the conductor, and she is saying that nothing to be afraid of about that. Now there is nothing to afraid. वो बोलती है कि मुझे यहाँ किसी भी चीज़ से डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ना ही मैं डर रही हूँ. Well then, why not go to that stall over here? So the conductor is asking to her if why she is not going to that stall who is stand there and have something to drink. And he said to her, he suggested her to take something for drink. Nothing to be afraid of about that either. Oh no, I couldn't do that. She said very confidently that मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, just because. Well then, let me bring you a cold drink. Then conductor said to the girl that then allow me to take something to drink for you. वो बोलता है कि फिर मैं आपके लिए कुछ पीने के लिए लेकर आता हूँ. And no, I don't have enough money. Just give me my ticket, that's all. Now she says very confidently that there is no need to take something for me to drink, that, as I have not enough money to pay. Just give me my ticket, that's all. And she said to her to give her ticket. और वो उस कंडक्टर को बोलती है कि आपको मेरे लिए कुछ भी पीने के लिए लाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप मुझे मेरा टिकट दे दीजिए और दैट्स ऑल. It will be my treat and not cost you anything. Now conductor is insisting the girl that there is no need to pay anything for that drink, just because it is as a treat on behalf of me. No, no, she said firmly. Now she is saying that very firmly, no, there is no need to take anything from me to drink. Please, no. Now she is requesting, please don't take anything for me. The conductor shrugged, and they shrugged means to move her head in okay, and they waited until it was time for the bus to begin and the return journey. Again, there weren't many passengers. Then when she said that there is no need to take anything for her to drink, and she had no enough money to pay back for that. Now conductor says, okay, if you don't want, then I am not going to give it to you. कंडक्टर बोलता है कि अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए तो ठीक है. एंड दे वेटेड अंटिल इट वॉज टाइम फॉर द बस टू बिगिन. और वो तब तक वहाँ इंतज़ार करते हैं जब तक कि बस के वापस जाने का टाइम नहीं हो जाता. अगेन देयर वरंट मैनी पैसेंजर्स, एंड अगेन बस में बहुत सारे पैसेंजर्स आकर बैठ जाते हैं. नाउ ओरल कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक. हाउ डिड वली सेव अप मनी फॉर हर फर्स्ट जर्नी? वॉज इट ईजी फॉर हर? You have to think about it and just remind it and try to give answer in your own words. What did Vali see on her way that made her laugh? What was the scene which made Vali to laugh and laugh and laugh till the tears are not out of her eyes? Why didn't she get off the bus at this bus station? So you have to think about it, and you have to answer this question in your own words. Why didn't Wali want to go to the stall and have a drink? What does this tell you about her? So thank you class. This is enough for today. We will continue by tomorrow. Thank you.